Hey, drone here, Tresckow, Pennsylvania. Today, see these little dibbies. You can tell people been digging here, and it's rained, so whatever they missed, I can find. I am going to a specific spot, but I figure I'll stop here because again, I see these little circular holes. Tell people been digging here. If I find anything else, I'll show you. Try to gather a couple things in my hand. Besides that piece, nothing super amazing. Myself, I wouldn't dig here, but people who have a hard time finding stuff, this is actually really easily accessible. So maybe that's why somebody is digging here. Is that, where is it? Let's see. Boom. It's loose too, I'm grabbing it. If I could get in there. Come on. Another one fell out. This thing's probably full of crystals. I ain't banging it though. We are doing some boulder hopping. This thing out. Size comparison. Getting there. Put my finger. Put my finger. Try to get that dirt off it. Boom. And I seen something else. Boom. Right here. Put my finger. Ooh, careful. All stuff is cool, but look, how's it been? Come on, a little bit larger. I mean, you're gonna come out, scale the side of a mountain. That's cool. I'm down with those all day. A little bit smaller stuff like this is cool, but I mean, let me just scan in here, see if I see anything else for you guys on camera. Which I'm really not. Piece of grass, little piece of grass. I don't know if I'll get it to shine, but I'll try to clean it off so you can see it a bit more. Should be able to see it. Boom, right here. All day, baby. All day. Let's go. Here. It pays to play after it rains. With my finger. Scaling up the side of the mountain with my book bag on. So you can see that. You see the fast blow it? Let's see. And I didn't even see this. Look, pick that up too. That's actually probably gonna be more impressive. Mildly structured tip and really long ship to it. On that note, I can go home. Perfect double terminated crystal. My goodness, I'm not going home though. And just surface collecting. And this is super clear because it rained yesterday. Nice key spots. Stuff here has key spots on it, which is pretty neat. See it? Boom, you can see it if I move the camera a little. Nothing massive, but the quality of the stuff is great. And again, the structure, gotta love it. Have not started to dig yet. Still bouncing around for a reason. If I start digging, I'm gonna cover all this stuff up. Just started the camera again. See it? Small piece right here. I call these teeth clusters for good reason. You have horizontal growth up and down and kind of form like a little mouth. Nom, 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 nom. So what I'm doing is pretty dangerous. My foot's pivoted there. I'm gonna try to do it with a camera. So I'm gonna put my hand here and reach down and grab it. See it? I just show it to you like this because I'm holding on to something, that way I don't go backwards. To show you guys the crystal content above my finger. Decent one that will actually take right there. Above my finger. Super glassy piece. finger, above my finger, above my finger. Was over there, we pan to the right, pan to the right. Can you see it? Let's go. Still have not begun to dug. And again, rain. That thing is washed off because it's sitting on the side. Erosion happened. It was too heavy to slide down. Rain cleaned it. Started to dig in and starting to get into some stuff. Hopefully we find big stuff because this stuff is tough to see in this black. This decent piece that's came out of digging. And this stuff is AAA quality, I'ma say. Ooh, glassy, glassy. Damn, slow go today, but we're still finding stuff. Got something in there. Might be a double terminated big boy. Oh, it is. Yes, it is. Let's go. Absolutely, probably like a 30-40-year-old dump. The way I'm judging that is the consistency of what I think was dumped to where the roots are to these very young trees. Should be able to see it. Again, nothing crazy, but the quality of this stuff's amazing. Very odd growth pattern. It's a key that would go right in there. Very odd growth pattern. It's a key that would go right in there. Be able to see the facet, but even seeing that facet, that is difficult to see. Gorgeous though. Nice little piece. Bling, bling, bling. Can you see it? Probably not. I can. It's probably the longest one we found today. Another double terminated. And what double terminated means is points and facets that go all the way up and down each side without stopping or showing a break like you typically see with a point. Can you see it? Should be able to see it now. They're difficult to see, very difficult to see, but get the stuff off them. Quality of these crystals are amazing. Soak this in as much iron out and acid as you want. That coloring is on the inside. You can see the wall must have healed and kept growing. Outstanding. Outstanding little cluster. Dig, 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 dig. Ready? Wait for it, wait for it, wait for it, wait for it, wait for it. Bling. Yep. Super simple to see. And again, I picked up way more than I'm showing you. But if I recorded every time I picked up something, I'd never get anything done. That's garbage. That's good. You see it? Can you see it? Nice chump. Just getting ready to leave. Figure I'd swing my hammer a couple more times. Good thing I did. All right, guys, so that's the haul. We did pretty well today. And this stuff up here is the stuff that I deem acceptable. That's the stuff I'd like to go out and get. Obviously, I'd love bigger. This right here is gorgeous. That's the coloring inside of it. There's a window on the inside of it. And I don't know, this thing is awesome. This is my favorite piece from today. Other than that, look at this. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and an outstanding 5 for our double terminated crystals. And as you can see, there's a key spot in the back of it. Clarity on that's amazing.